Hello dear, welcome to my YouTube channel Umas Tech. So friend, here I want to share the information about online earning on a website, a platform People per Hour, and we will see how to earn money from people per hour. We will discuss about. You can see it. This is the website or platform that can be the source of online earning for us. So we should start it online earning website. It is a people per hour. People. Let me adjust to the font size. People per hour.com is a it is a website for the online earning where you can see a lot of freelancers in one place. A lot of freelancers in one place with unique talent and skills. Unique talent and skill. They all have the different skills and unique talent. It is People per Hour Limited, a UK based company. It is a UK based company. And if we see an online platform that offer the business remote works and provide it to provide what it provides the business and after business remote workers and are workers are freelancers, and it was founded in 2007 by Zenius Thrasyoğlu, founded in 2007, and it is very easy to register on this platform. Easy to register the platform. Once your profile is approved by management people per hour, you will be website profile must approved by the management, and you will be given access to millions of projects globally. Access to millions of projects. Millions of projects you can access easily, and you just need send your proposal to project that suits your skill and wait for approval. Send proposal and wait for approval. This was how we can earn from the people per hour website. And so for this type of video, you can also subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.